close enough to be our goal. But my chances turned to toast when I asked her if I could call her your name. I thought I saw you in the rusty hook, curled up in a wicker chair. I wandered over for a closer look and kissed whoever was sitting there. She was close and she squeezed me very tightly, and I asked awfully politely, please, can I call you her name? And I elongated my lift home. Yeah, I let him go the long way round. I smelled your scent on my seatbelt and kept my shortcuts to myself. In the parrot's beak, fiddling with the smoke alarm. It was too loud for me to hear her speak, and she had a broken arm. It was close, man, it was so close that the walls were wet, and she wrote it out in a letter saying, no, you can't call me her name. So tell me, where's your hiding place? Because I'm worried I'll forget your face, and I've asked everyone. I'm beginning to think I imagined you all along. I elongated my lift home. Yeah, I let him go the long way round. I smelled your scent on the seatbelt and kept my shortcuts to myself. Yeah, start to do that. Everybody's okay. Yes, and that's when I found your sister in the corner store, on the phone to the middleman. And when I saw that she was on her own, it's when I knew that she'd understand. She was close, when you come to that much closer. She said, I'm really not supposed to, but yes, 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 yes. You can call me anything you